Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. So this is the now third time I've tried to record this video. Fantastic. But I'm just gonna give a quick update on what's going on. And yeah, so first of all, obviously got the new camera. I'm gonna take off this lens hood actually, so I don't need it. So we've got a new camera. Finally. Actually, it's better cropped down a little bit. Okay, so got a new camera. Of course, we've moved across the country now. And yeah, a lot has changed. Actually, this is 1080-60, not bad, over a USB-C cable. So, not bad. So, moved across the country, obviously. A lot of new things have happened. New school, new friends, whole 9 yards. After the summer finished, I had a 4-day turnaround until I had to be out here, completely packed and ready to live for 5 years. Of course, I'll be getting more stuff as time goes on, but that's no matter, really. Yeah, so basically, the long and short of it, is I moved out here. I transferred from Wheaton College in Illinois for a couple reasons. One just being that I didn't feel like that was really where I was supposed to be, so came out here, applied, got out here, accepted again. I was actually previously accepted to Moody in Chicago, but now I'm out here in Moody in Washington State. Also, if you hear a fan, that's my computer. It's kind of doing its own thing right now, shall we say. That's actually something that's been going on with my roommate and mine. Both our computers were both running the betas, and there's some weird power D thing that's constantly running. We have to keep going into terminal to kill it. Anyway, that's a conversation for another day. So, what else is going on? Well, quite a bit actually. Being out in Washington State, of course, there's a lot of nature to see. I'm really looking forward to getting some pictures. And also, since I'm in Washington, where am I living? Well, obviously I'm living in a house, but this is a non-residential campus, so I'm actually living in a house that people provide for college students, really nice and cheap, and I am actually a mile away, well, 0.9 miles away from the school. So I ride my bike every day to class, and we're good. Of course, my bike has had a couple issues, but that's a whole other topic for another day. What else is going on? Well, I am, as you guys know, I've been talking about trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my website because price hikes and all that, and what does that mean for you guys? Well, I'm actually working on a new website. The link will be linked below through Squarespace, no longer Wix, because this is a little more affordable now, and this just kind of works with what I need my website to do, something Wix could not do in the past for me. So that's fantastic. I think this will really be a good mix of professionalism and just keeping that creative side going. It does cost a little more, but you know what? That's fine too. Maybe you can just, buy a hoodie. New ones are coming next month when I do the final transition over, which is when my other store runs out. And then I get to transfer everything over to this store, and hopefully by then my domain is working as it should be as well. So, new website. That's really cool. What else is going on? Well, actually, this is a whole nother rant. This is going to be another video. But Instagram has been being a complete pain in the tuchus with just like how they're treating photographers. It's a very non-photo based app now, so that does make it kind of hard for us, the creative photographers, to keep making photos or taking photos and posting them, because everything's going to be in a 9:16 aspect ratio. And we don't like that because all our photos don't always look good in a 9:16 aspect ratio. Take this image right here, for instance. Is this a 9:16? No, on the contrary, this is very much a 4:3. And when you crop something like that to be a 9:16, this is another video, look how much you lose, even if you center it. Look how much you lose. And so it's just really disappointing to see a company like Instagram that's really been helping all of us keep our content up and going down the tubes of TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So what does that mean? Well, that means we have to find other solutions. And one such solution, I don't know why I put my phone back, is called Vero. Vero's been around since 2019. I've had an account since then. Haven't really done a lot of posting, but Vero here is a very fantastic social media. It's an Instagram-like platform that allows for photographers only to post and share what they love to create. So it's really good, really smooth, great animations too, of course, which always helps. If I can get it to do it, I won't do it here. I'll do it on the computer. But great, it's just great. So follow me over there. I'll link that below, of course. But yeah, it's just this great social media platform that allows us to create. All right. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video, which is going to be about Not sure yet, so I'll see you guys around. Be sure to take it easy. Follow me on all my social media. Links are below, including the new Vero account, new website, which is being worked on currently, is also linked below, and all sorts of stuff. So be sure to check that out. And links are below for where you can find all the stuff featured in this video, like camera, laptop, SD cards, whole 9 yards. That's linked below as well. So I'll catch you guys next video. Take it easy, fam. Go outside, take pictures or something. You never know what you'll find. Take it easy, fam. Peace.